Hey, it's Kevin Donlin with a reality check for your marketing. If you rely solely on digital marketing to grow your business, you're competing with everything else on your prospect's computer and or cell phone for attention. It's not just your competitors you have to worry about. It's countless websites, YouTube videos like this one, emails, text messages, apps on their phone, etc., etc. I don't like those odds. Do you? Contrast that with a printed message on real paper, which is delivered by mail into the hands of your prospect. Like my new booklet, Real Marketing in a Digital World, with $204 million of ideas inside to grow your business. There's nothing to click on or be distracted by. It's just one reader and one message. Now, I like those odds a lot better. Plus, direct mail is selling multiplied because the same message can be printed and mailed to every one of your inactive prospects, past or current clients, or new prospective clients in America. Now, I'm not saying you should abandon digital marketing, especially if it's working for you. By all means, keep doing it. But I am saying there should be a place in your business for what I call real marketing. It's direct mail with a very big difference because the messaging is in the voice of the buyer, real words taken from online reviews and testimonials about your business. These can sell your business better than you can because those words are from people who have already given you their money, which means their words will resonate with other buyers just like them. When you deliver those real words via real media, in this case on paper in an envelope, which is invisible to competitors and more trusted by your prospects, well, that can be incredibly effective. Now, a word of warning. If you're only looking for an easy button, if you're not seriously motivated to dig a moat around your business and remove fragility from your marketing, this is going to be a huge turnoff for you. So please skip this idea, skip this video, move on. However, if you've got a real business with happy clients who give you good reviews, this concept of real marketing can be a road to riches that's much less traveled for you. To prove it, just look in your US mailbox today. You'll almost certainly find only 5, 10 pieces of mail at most. Now look at your email inbox. Do you see the difference? Anyway, if you own a real business in the US doing at least $500,000 in revenue, I'd like to mail you a free copy of my new guide, Real Marketing in a Digital World, on paper in an envelope. There's no other way to get it. Just type your name and your business address in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe for more marketing tips just like this one. And thanks for watching.